Hello students, in this video we will discuss ratio analysis. First of all, what is the meaning of ratio? Ratio, relationship between two or more figures. Two or more figures is known as ratio. Generally, the ratio is calculated by dividing one figure to another figure. For example, suppose total marks were 500 and marks obtained by a student 400. We calculate the percentage of student 400 mark obtained divided by total marks into 100, 80%. Here we are creating the relation between marks obtained and total marks. So this is a ratio. So once again, ratio is the relationship between two or more figures. Ratio can be expressed in four ways. Ratio can be expressed in four ways. Number one, pure ratio, also known as simple ratio. This ratio is shown as 2:1, 3:2, as you have already studied in partnership. Second, in percentage. We can show the ratio in percentage also. Third, in times. Fourth, in fraction. For example, a new partner is admitted for 1/6 share. So 1/6 part of total profit is provided to the new partner. So 1/6 is the ratio in fraction. So we can express our ratio in four ways. Further, now there are four type of ratios. There are four type of ratios. Number one, first of all, liquidity ratio. Also called short-term solvency ratio. These ratios are used to check the short-term solvency position of the business. When we want to check that whether our company is able to meet its current liabilities or not, then we use liquidity ratios. Second point, solvency ratios. These ratios are used to check the long-term solvency position of the company. We want to check that whether our company is able to meet its long-term liabilities or not, whether the company is able to pay the interest on long-term liabilities or not. Third is activity ratios. Activity ratios, also known as turnover ratios. Turnover ratios. These ratios are used to check the working of the management. Fourth, profitability ratios. Profitability ratios. Profitability, profit plus ability. Combination of two words. These ratios are used to check the overall efficiency of the company. These ratios are used to check the profitability of the company. When we compare our company to another companies, these ratios are very useful to compare. So, four type of ratios are there: liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratios, and profitability ratios. We will discuss about liquidity ratios. Two ratios are used to check the liquid position of the company. Number one, current ratio, also known as working capital ratio. And second one is quick ratio, also known as acid test ratio. These two ratios are used to check the liquid position of the company, whether the company is able to meet its current liabilities or not. First of all, current ratio. The formula of current ratio is current assets divided by current liabilities. Ideal ratio is 2:1. That means if we have a current liability of rupees 1, we must have at least current assets of rupees 2 for the payment of current liabilities. If current assets are less than 2, then it is assumed that our company is not able to meet its its short-term liabilities on time. So, which are current assets and current liabilities? Current liabilities. Current assets first of all. Current investment. Number 2, inventory, excluding loose tools, store and spare parts. Third, trade receivable. Debtors plus bill receivable are included in trade receivable. Fourth, cash and cash equivalent. Fifth, short-term loans and advances. Loans and advances. And sixth point, other current assets. Other current assets. Accrued income, prepaid expenses are included in other current assets. So these are the examples of current assets. Now current liabilities. Short-term borrowings, bank overdraft, short-term loan, cash credit, loans payable on demand. These four are short-term borrowings. These two are very important. Bank overdraft and short-term loans. Number 2 points. Trade payables. Creditor and bills payable are included in trade payables. Third point. Other current liabilities like outstanding expenses, income received in advance, dividend payable, calls in advance. Last, short-term provisions. And the main is provision for tax. Provision for tax. So these are some current liabilities. So the formula of the current ratio is current assets divided by current liabilities. Now formula of quick ratio. Quick ratio, quick assets divided by current liabilities. Quick assets divided by current liability. Ideal ratio is 1:1. Suppose there is a liability of ₹1, we should have at least quick assets of ₹1 also. If it is less than 1, then it is assumed that company is not able to meet its current liability on time. So now, what are the quick assets? All the current assets are also quick assets except two: inventory and prepaid expenses. So you can say quick assets is equal to current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expenses. The main difference between current assets and quick assets is inventory. So the formula for quick assets will be current assets minus inventory or minus prepaid expenses if given in the question.